How to add a custom export file in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Deliver page where you usually export your videos. Next, on the left side, you will see preset options like YouTube, Vimeo, and custom export formats. To add a custom export file, click on the custom preset to start with a clean slate. You will find options for location and render. Choose between single clip or individual clip. There are three main sections for export settings: video, audio, and file. In the video section, you can set format, codec, encoder, resolution, frame rate, quality, keyframe interval, and presets. Then, scroll down to the advanced settings section. Here you can set exact export parameters like pixel aspect ratio, data levels, and more. You will also see subtitle settings in this area. For audio, go to the audio section. There you will find options such as codec, bit depth, output format, and audio normalization. Similarly, you can configure settings in the file section as well. Now, to save this custom export as a preset for future use, click on Save as New Preset from the drop-down menu located at the top of the Deliver page. Give your preset a name you will remember, choose an icon if you want, and hit Save. This way, the next time you need to export with the same settings, you can simply select your custom preset without adjusting everything again. Finally, when everything is set, click on Add to Render Queue, then click Render All. And that's it. Now you know how to add a custom export file in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.